Imagine this, you wake up tomorrow morning and find 10 lakh credited to your bank account. You would probably feel rich. Now imagine something stranger. A company earns 10 lakh in profit. Its sales cross 1 crore. Customers loves its product. Investors are impressed. Yet just a few months later, the company cannot pay salaries. It cannot pay suppliers and it is on verge of bankruptcy. Sounds impossible, but this happens to thousands of businesses every year. In fact, studies around the world have shown that cash flows problems are one of the biggest reasons for business fail. Not because they are unprofitable, but because they run out of cash. This is the story of Arjun and his company. By the end of this story, you will understand one of the most important concepts in finance, that is working capital management. Arjun started a healthy snacking business. Nothing fancy, just protein bars and healthy chips. He sold them through supermarkets, gyms, online store. The first year was difficult. Monthly sales were around 2 lakh, but customers loved the products. Word spread, influencers started recommending them. Soon sales exploded. 2 lakh became 10 lakh per month, then 20 lakh, then 30 lakh. Within 2 years, annual sales crossed 1 crore. Friends called him successful. His parents were proud. Banks were ready to lend him money. Everything looked perfect. Then one day his accountant delivered a shocking news. Arjun, we have a serious problem. What happened? Arjun asked. The accountant turned the laptop screen towards him and bank balance appears to be 48,000. Salary due for next week was 4,50,000. Supplier to be paid 12 lakh. Rent and utility expense was 1,50,000 and the total cash which was required was 18 lakh. And the available cash was only 48,000. Arjun stared at screen. There had to be a mistake. The company had reported profits. Sales were growing every month. How could they be almost broke? To understand the answer, imagine you own salary. Suppose your employer says, congratulations, your salary is 1 lakh per month. That sounds great, but then they add, we will pay you after 90 days. Suddenly things will change. You may have earned the money, but you cannot use it today. Your rent, groceries, and bill still need to be paid. This was exactly Arjun's problem. His biggest customers were supermarket chains. They bought huge quantity of product but they didn't pay immediately. Most of them paid after 60 to 90 days. When Arjun sold product worth 30 lakh, accountant recorded it as revenue. The sales appeared in the income statement. Profit increased, but the cash didn't arrive. The money was stuck. Finance people call this account receivable. In simple words, money earned but not yet received. Soon Arjun had nearly 45 lakh stuck in receivable. On paper, he looked rich. In reality, he couldn't access the money. But that wasn't the only problem. To meet growing demand, Arjun had stocking more inventory. More raw materials, more packaging, more finished goods, warehouses were full, shelves looked impressive. But inventory creates another hidden problem. Inventory cannot pay salaries. Inventory cannot pay electricity bills. Inventory cannot pay rent. Inventory is cash wearing a different costume. The company had another 25 lakh trapped in inventory. Without realizing it, Arjun had 70 lakh of cash locked inside business. Yet bills kept arriving, employees wanted salaries every month, suppliers demanded payment within 15 days, transport companies want payment immediately. The money was leaving much faster than it was returning. This is where working capital enters the story. So, working capital is simply the money required to run day to day operations. The formula looks very simple. Working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. But let's make it easier. Think of working capital as the fuel inside a car. Profit is the destination. Working capital is the fuel that gets you there. Without fuel, even the best car stops moving. Without working capital, even profitable business collapse. Now let's see where Arjun money was trapped. 40 lakh in receivable, 25 lakh in inventory. The total money stuck 70 lakh. This is what smart companies obsess over, something called cash conversion cycle. The cash conversion cycle measures how many days cash remains trapped before returning to the business. This cycle works like this: cash buys inventory, inventory buys sales, and sales becomes receivable, and receivable become cash gain. The faster this cycle moves, the healthier the business. The slower it moves, greater the danger. Let's compare two businesses. Company A receives its payment immediately. Company B receives payment after 90 days. Both make the same profit. Both have same sales. Which company needs more cash? So answer is company B, because its money remained trapped longer. That's why the companies like supermarket often generate stronger cash flows. Customers pay instantly at checkout, but suppliers are paid later. Cash comes in before cash goes out. The opposite happened in many growing businesses. Now Arjun understood the problem. His company wasn't suffering from low profits. It was suffering from poor working capital management. So he had made three changes. First, he started collecting payment faster. Customer paying him within 15 days received discounts. Second, he reduced excess inventory using better demand forecasting. Third, he negotiated longer payments terms with supplier. Instead of paying 15 days, he paid in 45 days. Slowly, cash returned, receivable fell, inventory reduced, bank balance improved. Within a year, the business was stronger than ever.
Not because profit increased, but because the cash started moving efficiently.
And that's the lesson more entrepreneur never learn. Revenue tells you how much you sold. Profits tells you how much you earned. But working capital tells you whether you survive. A business can survive temporary losses. Business often recover from bad years. But when cash disappears, survival becomes difficult. That's why finance professionals closely monitor receivable, inventory payables, and cash conversion cycle. Because in business, revenue is vanity, profit is sanity, but cash is reality. And working capital is what keeps the reality alive. Hopefully, you liked the video. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.